Number 1. A student kept a journal of moon observations for the month of October. What pattern in the appearance of the moon can be supported from the observations in the journal? A. The appearance of the moon changes all at once. B. The pattern repeats about every month. C. The moon is always visible. D. The appearance of the moon has no pattern. Number 2. Mrs. Brown's class is studying how the path of the sun crossing the sky changes during the day. Each hour, a pair of students goes outside to a square Mrs. Brown has painted on the sidewalk. One student stands a ruler upright in the center of the painted square. The second student lines up the edge of the large sheet of white paper with a second painted mark on the sidewalk and traces the shadow produced by the ruler. The paper is then posted in the classroom alongside the tracing made the hour before. At what time will the shadow be the shortest? F. 9 o'clock a.m. G. 10:30 a.m. H. 12 o'clock p.m. J. 2:30 p.m. Number 3. Approximately how many days does it take for the moon to complete one cycle from new moon to full moon to new moon? A. 8 days. B. 1 day. C. 28 days. D. 18 days. Number 4. Changes in seasons bring changes in weather. Which of the following best explains why winters in most part of the world are cold? F. The sun's rays hit Earth less directly in the winter. G. Earth rotates farther from the sun. H. The sun is closer to Earth in January, February, and March. J. Earth tilts to and from the sun. Number 5. A student placed a stick in the ground and then recorded the position of its shadow at different times of the day as the sun moved across the sky. In the first picture, there's a stick and shadows. The second picture, there's students' recorded observations. A, B, 12 o'clock noon, 2 o'clock p.m., 4 o'clock p.m., D, and C. Which outline in the students' recorded observations represents the position of the stick's shadow at 8 o'clock a.m.? A, position A, B, position B, C, position C, D, position D. Number 6. Over the course of a year, what changes are most likely to occur to a pecan tree? F, the leaves remain green all year. G, in spring, small green buds form on branches, grow into leaves for summer, change color in fall, and drop off in winter. H, in spring, small green buds form on branches, grow into leaves for summer, change color in fall, and remain on the tree in the winter. J, in winter, small green buds form on branches, change color and fall off in summer, and grow back for winter. Number 7. The graph below shows changes in the length of the shadow of the school's flagpole for an entire school year. Each day, students measured the length of the school's flagpole shadow when the sun was highest in the sky. The flagpole shadow, this is the length in meters, and you have at the bottom, it's the months. So there's September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Based on the information above, what pattern occurs in the flagpole's shadow throughout the year? A. The shadow is longest in the winter and shortest in the summer. B. The shadow is longest in the summer and shortest in the winter. C. The shadow is longest in the spring and shortest in the autumn. D. The shadow is longest in the autumn and shortest in the spring. Number 8. In August, a class observed the changes in the length of the shadow of a meter stick. The measurement at 8 o'clock a.m. is shown below. Underneath the sun, it says east, and then it's west. According to the diagram above, which picture shows how the meter stick shadow most likely looked at 7 o'clock p.m., an hour before sunset? Is it F, G, H, or J? Number 9. The picture below shows the pattern of the moon's appearance over the last month. There is a picture missing at the arrow. Which picture below shows how the moon would appear at the arrow? A, B, C, or D? Number 10. Seasons in Texas. There is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. What is the correct sequence of seasons that would follow winter? F, summer, spring, autumn. G, spring, summer, autumn. H, spring, autumn, summer. J, autumn, summer, spring. Number 11. The moon's appearance changes at different phases. Full moon, day 1, waning gibbous, day 4, third quarter, day 8, waning crescent, day 12. What will be the phase of the moon on day 16? A, waning gibbous, B, first quarter, C, waxing crescent, D, new moon. Number 12. A lamp post casts a shadow. Shadow at 10 o'clock a.m., shadow at 12 o'clock p.m., shadow at 2 o'clock p.m., shadow at 4 o'clock p.m. Which drawing shows where the shadow will most likely be at 4 o'clock p.m.? Is it F, G, H, or J? Number 13. Time of sunrise in the a.m. and then the day. From the data shown on the graph, when is the sunrise on day 5 most likely to occur? A, 6:43 a.m., B, 6:47 a.m., C, 6:57 a.m., or D, 6:59 a.m. Number 14. Changes in seasons bring changes in weather. Which of the following best explains why summers in most parts of the world are hot? F, the sun's rays hit Earth more directly. G, Earth rotates closer to the sun. H, the sun is closer to Earth in June, July, and August. J, Earth tilts away from the sun. Number 15. The moon's appearance changes over the course of a month. People call these changes the phases of the moon. The moon goes through the same phases each month. 1, 2, 3. Look at the moon phases shown above. Which of the following moon phases comes just after phase 3? Would it be A, B, C, or D?